In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch your professional account to personal or creator account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Once the app is opened, tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. As you can see, it now shows that professional dashboard here on my profile, which means that currently my account is a professional account. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily switch it back to a personal or to a creator account. First of all, guys, we need to tap right here at these three lines and then head over to settings and privacy. Down below here, we can easily find business tools and controls. Tap on it and scroll down until you find switch account type. If you tap at switch account type, you will be able to easily switch your account to personal or to a creator. I'm gonna choose switch to personal account, and then to proceed, you just need to hit add switch to personal account one more time. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to personal, and then you can head over to your Instagram profile page. Maybe it still shows the professional dashboard here. Maybe it will be necessary to reopen the Instagram app. And then if we head over to our profile, we can see that professional dashboard is now gone, which definitely means that our account is now personal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.